Yeah. Again, question number 5. Right. So there is wholesaler, wholesaler, there is retailer, and there is customer. Customer. So net CP of customer is 468.16 rupees. Right? So net CP is equal to CP bracket 1 plus tax percent upon 100, and GST is equal to 12%. Right? So this is 468.16 is equal to CP bracket 1 plus 12 upon 100. It becomes 3 times 4 becomes 12, and 25. 100 divided by 4 becomes 25. So you get 468.16 is equal to CP bracket 28 upon 25. Right? So CP is equal to cost price for customer is equal to cost price for customer is equal to 468.16 into 25 upon 28. Right? When you do this, you will get 468.16 divided by 28 divided by 28. CP is equal to 16.72 into 25 is equal to into 25. So CP is rupees 418. Right? This is the customer's cost. Now he paid tax how much? So tax amount, tax paid by customer is net CP minus CP is equal to 468.16 minus 418 is equal to 400. It's 50.16 is the tax he paid. Customer paid the tax of this much, and this is the cost price of retailer. Cost price. This is cost price of customer. So SP of wholesaler. Right? And what he did, he let MRP be X. X. So he get the product. So its cost price is x ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस कितना है 15%, 15% अपॉन 100, 3 times 5 becomes 15 and 2 times 5 becomes 20. So it becomes Cp is equal to 17x upon 20. This is his cost price, right? But increase Cp 10% on MRP. So new CP is equal to x bracket 1 plus 10 upon 100. So it becomes 11x upon 10, right? This is it has. Now what he did, so this 418 he get and gave 5% discount to customer, right? 5% discount to customer. So it means cost price, sorry, SP was SP of retailer is SP of retailer is equal to cost price of customer. Cost price of customer is 418. So is equal to discount, that is CP bracket 1 minus 5 upon 100, right? So SP of retailer is equal to CP of customer. So we get SP is how much? That is 418 is equal to CP bracket 1 minus 20, right? So it is 19 upon 20. So it is CP is equal to 418 into 20 upon 19. It becomes 22 and you got 440 CP. So this 440 is equal to this much, right? This 4 after increase of 10%, na, he is dealing with this cost price. So when you do this 11x upon 10 is equal to 440, so it becomes 40. So x is equal to 400. So MRP is equal to rupees 400. Now CP of retailer is equal to 400 is equal to no MRP now. MRP is X. So CP of retailer is equal to 17 into 400 upon 20. it becomes 20. So its cost price is 340 rupees, right? So retailers CP is 340 and SP is 418. This is the cost price he find, but he sold after 5% discount. He sold at this price, so 418. So profit is equal to 418 minus 340. So how much you will get? 878 rupees 78 profit. So profit percent is equal to 78 upon cost price is 340 into 100%. So this 100 and 100 is gone off. You get, and when you solve this, it is 3 times 2 becomes 6 and 9 times 2 becomes 18, and this is 1 time 2 becomes 2 and 7 times is this. When you multiply all this, you will get 390 upon 17%. When you solve this, 2 times 17 becomes 34. 34. So 39 minus 34 becomes 5. 50. 3 times 17 is 51. So it is greater. So again you go by 2 times. So now you get 50 minus 34 becomes 16. This is 17. So this is the profit he get. I hope this much you understand.
Yes.
Huh? This is you understand. Okay. Actually time is taken because we have to go in inverse process. Because of that it is taking time. You have to go from here to here. Usually we go from MRP then we come. There is no need of tax. Tax only required here. Right? To find out what is its exact cost. Only यहाँ पे required है. This is also not required. This cost को हमने फिर इससे compare करके then we inverse में you have to put lot of brain. Right? So this much. So what next is?
The mark price of an article is 7,500.
Should I go?
Yes.
What?
The mark
Question number?
4.
What is that?
The mark price of an article is 7,500.
The mark price of
Article is 7,500.
article is 7,500, right?
A shopkeeper buys an article from wholesaler at some discount.
अच्छा, wholesaler, retailer, and customer. Then how much? So he get articles MRP is 7,000. MRP is
7,500.
7,500.
A shopkeeper shopkeeper buys an article from wholesaler at some discount
Some discount,
and
okay.
sell it to a consumer at marked price. The
He
sales
said, get discount, get some discount, और क्या है?
and sell it to the consumer at a marked price.
And sell to customer at mark price.
The sales
तो MP is equal to SP, या हम ये लिख सकते हैं MRP is equal to SP. Okay, so it is how much? Now
the sales are interest rate and the rate of GST is 12%.
intrastate, right? And GST is
12%.
12%.
If the shopkeeper pays 90 as tax under GST to the state government, fine.
So tax is equal to CGST is equal to SGST. So कितना आया?
90.
SGST.
Sorry, 45.
This is 45 rupees. So this will also 45. So total tax he received is, मतलब tax liability is 90 rupees. Tax liability is, मतलब tax liability is rupees 90. Tax liability is rupees 90 and customer he pays. So customer के लिए CP is equal to 7,500 in bracket 1 plus 12 upon 100, 3 upon 25. So CP is 7,500 into 28 upon 25. It becomes 300. So it is 0, 0, 8 times 3 becomes 24, 4, 2, 6 to 8. 8,400 rupees he paid tax. Sorry, 8,400 rupees is cost price, right? Net cost price. So tax amount is equal to net cost price minus cost price is equal to 8,400 minus 7,500. So how much you are getting? What is the difference? 8,400 minus 7,500, 900 rupees. So 900 rupees. 900 rupees tax he output tax. This is output tax. output tax. So now we have tax liability, retailer, retailer, retailer tax liability is equal to output tax minus output tax, output tax minus input tax. So output tax is, so retailer liability is 990, output tax 900 minus input tax is how much? Crisscross. So input tax is equal to 810 rupees, right? So on what amount he will get this much tax? So tax percent is equal to tax amount upon SP into 100%, right? So tax is 12%, tax amount is 1800, 810 upon SP into 100%, right? So it becomes 3 times 4 becomes 12 and it is 25, right? So SP is equal to 810 into 25 upon 3. It becomes 270, right? So 270 multiplied by 25. So SP is equal to 6,750 rupees, right? So this is the SP of wholesalers. So C is equal to CP of retailer. CP of retailer. CP of retailer is equal to 6750. So discount is how much? Discount is equal to MP minus SP. So 7,500 minus 6,750. So how much he get? 7,500 minus 6,750. So it becomes rupees 750. Discount he gets 750. Right? What is asking for now? I did all.
The amount of discount.
Amount of discount is 750. Check your answer.
So 1500.
Huh?
1500.
क्या चीज?
The amount of discount.
गलती हो गई. 270 into 25, 675. 900 minus 90 is how much? 810.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. 800.
Plus 12% tax. So 4 times 3 is 25. फिर मसला देन व्हाट वी हैव। अच्छा तुमने वो क्या पढ़ा था यार, पहले मुझे ये बताओ, ये तुमने क्या पढ़ा था? सारा खेल यहाँ से है। तुमने कितना बोला है वहां पे? समझ गया।
Shopkeeper pays 90 rupees as tax under GST to state government.
यार यू आर, मैं पहले यही पढ़ा था, सारा खेल बिगड़ गया। अब ये क्या हो गया? ये हो गया 90 रुपीज SGST, 90 रुपीज CGST, तो 90 90 180, ये हो गया रुपीज 180। अब ये रुपीज 180 है, तो यहाँ पे हम 180 लाएंगे, तो ये 180 होगा, और 180 माइनस 900 माइनस 180, 900 minus 180 is how much? 720, right? 720 is tax. Now tax amount is, now we rub from here, so SP gone, so tax amount, so this is 12 is equal to 720 into 100 upon SP, right? 6 times 60, it's so SP is equal to 6000. When SP is equal to 6000, SP is equal to 6000, तो cost is equal to cost price of retailer, right? Cost price of retailer, so discount is equal to SP minus MP minus SP, so it is 6000, and then you get 1500, as simple as that, right? फिर क्या है?
The price inclusive of tax under GST of article plus shopkeeper paid to the wholesaler.
6000 है ये?
Yes.
So 6000 into 1 plus 12 upon 100, so it becomes 6000 into 3 times 4 and 25, it is 28 upon 25, 25 2 times 50, 4 times 100, 0 into 28, so 240 into 28 is 6720 rupees. Is the वरना जो इनपुट टैक्स है ना, इनपुट टैक्स इन हिज कॉस्ट प्राइस यू कैन ऐड, मतलब 6000 is costing to him, 6000 plus 720 becomes 6720 is the मतलब paid by the whole retailer to the wholesaler. Retailer pay to wholesaler, that is 6720 rupees. Next, this much, and now I get tired. I can't do these type of questions anymore. Huh? Oh my god, this time I went RP. So by mistake I changed here SP of wholesaler, so here will also be, it is 6000. Cost price of retailer is 6000 and SP of wholesaler is equal to 6000. So we get discount of rupees 1500, right? So this was the mistake which left. So thank you.